Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach artichoke dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 10-ounce package of frozen spinach, thawed and squeezed dry, and one 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts, drained and chopped. Also, have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese ready. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk, 1 minced garlic clove, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. These ingredients create a wonderfully creamy and flavorful dip. Now, let's get started on the creamy base for our dip. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Beat these two ingredients together until they are wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, stir in the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and the 1/4 cup of milk. Finally, add the minced garlic clove and the pinch of red pepper flakes, mixing everything thoroughly to ensure all flavors are well distributed. With our creamy base ready, it's time to add the stars of the show, the spinach and artichokes. Take your 10 ounces of thawed and thoroughly squeezed dry spinach and gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Then, add the 14 ounces of chopped artichoke hearts. Mix everything together carefully, ensuring that the spinach and artichokes are evenly distributed throughout the dip. You want every spoonful to have a perfect balance of these delicious flavors, creating a truly satisfying experience. Almost there. Once your dip is fully mixed, transfer it into a small baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the dish in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and lightly golden on top. This baking time allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your warm, delicious spinach artichoke dip with your favorite tortilla chips, crackers, or even some crusty sliced bread. Enjoy this easy and delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.